Hello all, welcome to BetterBox. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step process of how a new user can onboard to the BetterBox application and how they can integrate Sentry with BetterBox. So first go to app.betterbox.io login page. Here you will get three options to log in. So you can log in with either your email ID or if you have your GitHub and Google accounts connected, then you can directly log in with this account. Here, as I am already using my Google Chrome profile, I will directly select Continue with Google account. This will onboard me to the application. Click on Continue. So, this is the first time I have logged in. So, my workspace name is given based on my email ID. So, you can change it later on from your workspace settings and project settings. Now, as a new user, let us verify how can I connect my BetterBox account with my existing Sentry account. So for this, go to project settings. Here go to integrations tab. As you scroll down, you can see an option here, connect with Sentry. So click on connect. Here click on accept and install. This is the authentication page. So you can see your Sentry is connected here. Now to verify if your application Petterbox is connected with your Sentry, you can also check it by logging in your Sentry account. So here you can see if you refresh, the changes will be reflected. And you can see that BetterBox is installed successfully. Now let us see how integrating Sentry infrastructure with your BetterBox account helps you see the logs directly in your application session pages. So for this, I'll show you a quick demo. So for showing the demo, I'll use this website. I'll start the recording. I'll choose window recording. Click on share. So the recording has already started. Now I'll test this site and perform some events. As I'm performing some events, I'll get some errors or logs here. So as you can see, I've got an error. So I'll stop the recording and this will create a bug report for me. So you can see here the workspace and projects is selected and I'll give some appropriate title here. I'll click on upload bug. So here we have our bug report ready. Now under developer tools, if you see here you can get all the device information. Here are the console logs and network requests. And besides this, you will find a backend tab here. Under this, you can see that Sentry is connected. From here, choose your relevant Sentry project. So here I am choosing BetterBox Nestify. Choose the timestamp. Currently I am choosing this. And now here you can see that whatever logs or errors which we have got in Sentry are directly reflected here in the front. So you do not need to go to Sentry separately every time any error occurs. You can directly see the Sentry logs here in the front end, directly in this app session page. So this is how BetterBox integration with Sentry helps the developers debug the issues in a quick and efficient way. Thank you.